HyperX keyboards use the NGENUITY software to create macros, which are automated sequences of inputs. To create a macro, first download and install the HyperX NGENUITY software from hyperx.com. Connect your keyboard via USB and open the software. Create a profile, for example, for a specific game. Select a key and choose Macro from the drop-down menu. You can record your actions in real time or use manual scripting for more advanced control. Save the macro and it's ready to use. Macro creation simplifies repetitive tasks in gaming, content creation, and productivity. Once a macro is created in HyperX NGENUITY, you can edit it to fine-tune its performance. This includes adjusting delays in milliseconds to mimic human timing and prevent detection in games. Assign your macro to any programmable key on your HyperX keyboard. You can set triggers like a single press, hold, or toggle. Macros can be stored on device or in the cloud for syncing across PCs. Recent NGENUITY updates include AI suggestions for optimizing macros and improved playback stability on Windows 11 and macOS Sonoma. HyperX keyboards support up to 500 actions per macro. Addressing common issues such as macro conflicts during multitasking, recent software patches include anti-ghosting features.